What is up, guys? I know it's been a minute. I've been super busy this week. I haven't been able to vlog or do anything. The house stuff has been taking up most of my time. Look, the AC is all connected, it works. Walls painted, everything's ready to go, almost done, so I can start laying down the tile. I actually just ordered like $3,000 worth of tile, baseboard, soffit, just everything I need to lay down tile and finish the house. Be done. I got the front door, I got everything. So tomorrow's plan is Anson, my buddy's coming over. He's gonna weld up Michael's exhaust, because Michael's exhaust, we cut it just to get the muffler out of there to test, because the original plan was to cut it and then weld one the next day, but we kind of got busy with stuff and a bunch of other things happened, and Anson got busy, and he's the welder, not me. So Michael's been driving around with a cut exhaust, and where it's cut, it's actually shooting up exhaust fumes into the trunk and heating up the trunk a lot, and into the cabin. You can smell it. So we're gonna weld that up, and we're gonna put it in tomorrow, hopefully. Or he's gonna weld it up, not me. The second thing is I wanna get the Harley up on a bike jack and take out the rear end so I can check out the ball bearings blew out on it, which it has 5,000 miles, so they shouldn't have blown out, but it did. And now I gotta look at it because the warranty's gone on it. So I gotta lift it up. I have to take out the back end and see what parts I need replaced and then order them. Also, side note, we got all of Michael's side skirts, front lip, everything's on the car now. So like it's pretty much in like perfect condition, or not perfect condition, but it pretty much looks good. It's got no, we don't have to fix anything. There's no side gaps or anything like that. Everything's good. Everything looks good. People on the street have been loving it. It's hilarious. He wanted to originally go with a Viper Red. I told him, you gotta be different. You gotta like show off. You gotta be like, look, everyone turn heads, bro. You gotta turn heads. So he let me pick the color, and I picked the color, or he let me pick the color, and once it got here, he was like, no fucking way, bro. Like, holy shit. It's actually a Porsche mint green. And then it has the black contrast on the side skirts and the fenders and everything. It's kind of a bummer though, like he has a much cooler looking car now. Like at first I was like, oh, my color is really cool and people like it, but man, I fuck with the mint green, bro. Like it's really fucking sweet. That is so much cooler than my car now. Like, yeah, granted my car is alright and stuff, but shit, bro, the Miata is fucking sweet now. Like people are loving it. Like people are honking at us on the road and shit. In comparison, like, yeah, my blue's nice and all, but like, shit, bro. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know. Anyways, enough of that. Next time I see you, it'll be the morning, and I'll start recording, and we'll get all the stuff welding and stuff, and you can see Anson do his fucking thing. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh wow, my hair is all over the fucking place again already. What's up, guys? As you can see, it's morning now. Anson's here. He's helping me with the exhaust.
What's up?
He's a pro master welder?
Yeah, sure.
Dr. Welder?
Dr. Welder.
Dr. Welder? So we're gonna be what are you gonna be doing? Is it called tacking up or
Mocking it up?
Mocking up the exhaust. We just we just got back from Home Depot and AutoZone. What are the reducers? Are they called reducers?
Yeah, reducers.
We had to buy some reducers and stuff. So we're gonna get to it. Holy fuck, there's not a lot of room there. Holy fuck, that was like butter, bro. I spent like 10 minutes cutting it with the fucking grinder. Holy fuck, I need me one of these.
For real.
Bro, don't do this to me right now.
Pass me the grinder. Come on.
You know, people shit on them, but having white friends is the best.
White friends is the best.
Yo, why don't we just cut off the exhaust and make it come out the hood?
I think we should.
Or out the side, Dodge Viper style?
Dodge Viper style.
You know, that was one of the other problems they had was it was burning people.
On the side pipe?
Because like people didn't realize that their exhaust was on the side and they would burn their leg, their calf, stepping out.
That's funny. Alright, motivation with a hammer and it'll go on.
Okay, let me go grab a hammer. Hold on. Want to make the tube then point downwards a little bit, like on the bend. Yeah. We'll go down.
Yeah. And then over.
Yeah, here, like.
Yeah, I think it'll be good because when I cut this one,
Uh-huh.
cut it here, put it there, and then we'll just point it in the direction of the tip. I think we're actually good, right? Where it's at right now.
Perfect.
Because this is going to be sitting in about another inch,
Yeah.
so everything's going to drop down lower.
My question for you is, we have to basically cut it with knowing in mind that it's gonna sit a little farther in, right?
Sit farther in, yeah. So everything, like, I'm looking at the line right here of where I want to center the exhaust. So knowing that this is going to go in about another inch, I'm going to center everything an inch away from that line.
Okay.
And that way when we sit everything in, everything sits down more.
Okay, cool.
Alright, cool, so.
It's an expensive Sharpie, bro. It's Milwaukee.
Cool. Alright, you got steady hands?
Steady hands? Sure, why? Have me hold it?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, I just need you to hold it up and hold the trigger while I cut this by hand.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Say what? Look how flat that is.
Dude, told you I got steady hands, bro.
I do. Alright, perfect. It's pretty much
There you
this
go.
end's gonna go like that. Alright, you wanna grab the Sharpie?
Sharpie, yep. Anson said that the wind will affect the weld. Science. So we're welding inside the house. You want a monster, bro?
No, I'm good.
Are you scared to open them, bro? Like, this is mad scary.
What's mad scary?
That? No?
Mad scary.
Yeah, I know you're not scared. No, mad scary is when you let it roll around in your truck without any strap downs or anything. And you just like, fuck it. what thing in easy?
The little silencer.
I'm not putting a fucking silencer.
Well, okay then. Alright, where do you want it? Right here? I think right here. Hold it right here. Let me look.
It's hot.
So what?
So what? Hold me.
You got it?
I guess.
Oh, dude, that looks dope.
Hold on, it's too heavy. It's too heavy. It's slipping.
Bro,
it's so fat. It's fat, dude. It's slipping out of my hands.
Alright, so that's about as far back as we can go.
Okay, cool.
Not hitting that. We don't want to be hitting shit.
What do you like, the bumper?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to let it hang a little bit, just low enough to where it won't like affect the plastic too much.
Yo, we might not even have needed that whole straight piece.
I know. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, this motherfucker made me spend.
Need like 3 inches of it.
He made me spend like $40 on a special piece of metal, and it's sitting right there, hasn't been fucking cut.
You know what? I'll use it just for you, buddy. Damn, that looks dope, yo.
Can you weld me a sword, bro?
Hell yeah. I'll make you a knife.
Have you done this before, bro?
Go what? Welded exhaust? Yeah, I've done it before.
Has he done it before?
I'm liking the angle I'm sitting at with
So we gotta cut that piece of steel for a thing there, right?
Yeah, how big do you think that is? Get out the measuring tape.
I will be right back measuring. Michael measuring tape.
I mean...
Bro, if I brought you a piece of popcorn right now, you think you could fucking cook it?
I don't know. I would build one, but if I build one, I want it to be solid, and I want it to be the right metal. I don't have anything.
It's
I don't like that one, and I don't have any.
I think that's an acorn. Don't eat it. God damn, white boy.
I think Anthony looks like such a fucking dad right now. Wearing a Chevy shirt.
Bro, he came dressed all nice, and I was like, "Are you sure you want to wear that when we do it?" He's like, "Ah, it's fine." Hey, I know that.
Sorry,
You just go to that restaurant.
Sorry, do you have a Milwaukee 5000 Nope, sorry, Snap-on.
Yeah.
Snap.
Sorry, it's not Snap-on.
Anson won't shop anywhere except Snap-on.
Bro, I don't even own anything Snap.
He's like, if it doesn't cost triple digits and it's a measuring tape, then it ain't good, bro.
Hate Snap-on, buys from Harbor Freight.
That one. Dude, I'm on a budget.
Bro, Harbor Freight is fucking life, dude. Like, everything I fucking own is now Harbor Freight, and everything works.
Grinder I brought over here from Harbor Freight.
Bro, my fucking jack is from Harbor Freight. It's awesome. Yeah, dude. It's a good fucking jack. It's a $99 jack, 3-ton jack, and it's fucking awesome.
Michael, will you hold this too? Yeah, because these guys are fucking around.
Hey, man.
Yo, I'm holding it for you. Yo, make sure hey, Michael, whenever you're holding it, you gotta make sure you touch him. You gotta hold on to him.
Shit. Do they teach that in firefighting school, bro?
No, they just teach you how to like get low to the
Do they do stuff like, do they like in the locker room touch each other and shit? What kind of shit?
That looks badass.
Harbor Freight. Ooh, what's this? Motherfucker, Glycon!
That bandsaw's from Harbor Freight. Is that your bandsaw, Tony?
No, it's his bandsaw.
Your bandsaw? Is that from Harbor Freight? It's 100% from Harbor Freight. It says Bauer on it. They don't sell Bauer anywhere.
Bauer's fake. Harbor Freight.
How do you guys memorize the Harbor Freight brands right?
Because I'm there every weekend.
I work in Bonita. You do not. Yes, I
I'm
do.
sponsored by Harbor Freight.
Put a little Harbor Freight TM there.
Oh, where'd that tube go?
Someone help this guy, bro. Don't kick me, bro. Don't kick me. He's using your knee. Let me use that. Oh! Someone help this man. I can't reach it.
Yeah, like that? You just gotta cut some angles into it, right? You got your rubber board?
That tip straight, Omar. Omar?
Oh!
Omar, is
Huh?
the tip straight?
Oh,
you fucking
oh, yeah, it's pretty straight. I mean, it's sticking out a little bit.
It's sticking out a lot.
Yeah, it's fucking.
It kind of looks. It has to. Dude, that has to come back. That has to go back. Like that.
How far?
Everybody needs to calm down. The tip is gonna go back.
All right, retract the tip, bro.
Yeah. Whatever you do. Up like. Yeah, that's not more out.
Yeah. By the way, how'd you do that? I hit a curve pretty softly.
Pretty softly, this fucking. He comes home with 2 fucking bent ass rims. Yeah, just bumped into the side of a curb. That's.
I mean, it was pretty soft, right?
Yeah.
It's a great
Who's got the Sharpie?
You had a left, bro. Put it in the pocket?
Yay.
What?
I'm like doing this and like, calm down. Yo, you can't call him gay and then be like wet all over right now.
Yeah, bro, you're like fucking losing liquids. Did you find the Sharpie?
You know what?
Did you find the Sharpie?
We don't need a Sharpie.
Oh, okay. I found it though.
We're gonna cut a hole right here, bro.
No, dude, you get dual. One on this side, one on that side.
We should have done it in the middle, just like this.
Bro, if that ain't fucking lit. Bro, Anson. Downpipe though? Like, you know, like, just like your fucking, axle dump? Axle dump, bro. I mean, granted, that'll be scraping the ground because the car's lower than the height, but... I say axle
You're pretty current the whole thing.
The YouTube channel is gonna see like 17 zoom shots of Anson's penis. I've done this like 8 times already. Bro, you're gonna get mad fucking laid, bro.
I would have been right now.
I'm sorry, bro. I took away fucking. He had a study date. A study date with the chick. I'm like, bro, I'm sorry.
Wait, was fucking.
Do me a favor. Turn it on right now. I want to get a fucking sound thing. So, Anson's just finishing up putting the little hangers for the exhaust. Michael had to go to, wow, my hair is like fucking poofy, bro. Michael had to go to AutoZone and pick up another clamp for the exhaust. And we're just finishing up, so I took a recording of what it sounded originally with just the cut pipe, which basically is just a muffler delete. And we're gonna take a video in a second when we install it of the new exhaust, and we'll see what the difference is. All right? Make sure you're in neutral. Give light revs.
Redline that bitch.
One quick one.
Come on, man.
Bro, you're gonna blow a fucking valve, dude.
Come on, blow a fucking valve, dude.
Okay, alright, you're done.
There we go. Blow it.
Don't blow it.
That was $5 grand.
Alright, now let's put it on and then we'll see
Alright, what do you guys think it's gonna sound like?
Fucking sick.
I hope a little deeper than that.
Yeah, me too. Just a little bit.
But it doesn't really matter what it sounds like. We're just trying to get the fucking exhaust not to shoot up into the cabin in the fucking trunk.
Okay.
So if he Rice Mania, he's Rice Mania.
Also,
Right. Start her up, bro.
Wait. Let me get my Snapchat.
Okay.
It's gonna turn on and fall off.
Wait. No.
I'm ready.
Ready.
Go.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Okay.
That's nice. Okay, come
I
on.
had a rib tighter chin.
Ooh, okay.
That's nice.
I'm a little bit nasty.
You blew out a bunch of fucking shit at me though.
Bunch of fucking homos over here.
Yeah.
Was that the max rep?
That was like 4.
Give it a nice good one, real blast.
Come on. Put this bitch on the move. Pop that.
Alright, sweet, now stop.
Wait, let's do a rev contest.
A rev contest?
Move your truck. I'll back my truck up. We'll do a rev contest.
So as you can see, exhaust was successful. We're just gonna clean up now.
Rev contest.
Rev contest. No, bro,
Rev contest.
your truck is annoying.
Rev contest.
Between who?
We'll do Miata versus Del Sol versus my truck.
Alright, rev contest. Move your truck, Tony. In case you're wondering, I am gonna start the car and let it warm up first, so there's no issues. And Michael's car's on and it's warming up right now, so I'm not gonna fucking rev it max without the car being fucking warmed up, so. Oh, go fuck yourself, guy.
Fuck me, this is
So, alright.
What if it's back?
Yeah, his reverse lights aren't both on.
That turbo sounds so good.
Oh shit! I can't believe you can hear me out of it. Give it some gas, bro.
That car sounds fucking sick.
Hey, don't be fucking doing burnouts.
Oh yeah.
Bro, your turbo's loud, bro, not your exhaust, dude. All you hear is turbo.
All you hear is turbo.
Honestly, loudest exhaust is me, bro, sorry.
No,
Yeah, bro, are you not hearing this? Give it a little bit of... Bro! That's louder than you, bro.
No, it ain't louder.
Yes, it is.
Let's take
Tony,
it to the street.
Tony, what do you think? Alright, so are we doing this drag race, bro? Miata versus Del Sol?
I'm very much okay. Versus Del Sol. And then I'll take the winner.
Find out next week who wins, Miata versus Del Sol.
Wait a minute. We're doing this right now.
Alright, can you go park my car back?
Wait, you gotta get this one.
What, Michael? We already recorded.
I think my turbo's louder than your whole car though.
Yeah, your turbo's fucking unreal.
Yeah, your turbo's fucking loud.
Alright, let's get this down and clean this shit up and I'm like done for the day. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Come give me a hug. Thank you, white boy. Get you guys a white boy. White boys do everything for you.
Get them at findawhiteboy.com.
Findawhiteboy.com.
ChristianMingle.com.
Dude, you pulled down my pants.
You don't have to be lonely at weldersonly.com.
weldersonly.com. Oh shit. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. I got a lot of shit done. Thank you to Anson for helping me out. We're gonna be hanging out with him a lot more, doing a lot cool project stuff. Thanks to Tony coming over and helping me out. He brought me actually the motorcycle jack so we can get working on the Harley. And Michael for helping out with everything too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you feel about the vlogs and stuff. Also, last night, me and Michael got into doing some kind of like branding stuff, and we came out with brand new merch and stuff. We actually made some cool shirts and shit. So I'm gonna put the link to the Teespring page so you can check it out if you want to check it out. It's really cool. Kind of trying to branch out and do some stuff. Really, right now it's all like to cost. I'm not trying to make money off it. I just think it's really cool. Trying to start a bunch of stuff here. We don't really have a lot of car stuff in Naples and shit, so trying to get, you know, like do car meets, do like cars and coffee, do stuff like that. So I'm really interested in like getting people together, getting more car people, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, like I said, I hope you like the vlog. Sorry if it's kind of long, but you know, you guys have a good one, right? I'll see you in the next one.